today, but for the snow. Road conditions just about slick, statewide. You can travel, you can get out, but we don't recommend it. You have some slushy areas, there's still a lot of ice out there, and a lot of sleet, a lot of snow now, and that continues to pile up. The only place that's safe right now is southeastern Oklahoma. Even the roads down here are going to get worse. Later today, look at these temperatures. There's no melting going on. 24 in Oklahoma City, 22 in Ponca City, 23 in Altus, and 21 in Alva, and 32 in Ardmore. Temperatures today hold in the mid-20s. Chance of snow, obviously, today at 100% all the way back out into western and even parts of southwestern Oklahoma. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, in the blue, 2 to 4 inches. So it's going to keep snowing in Oklahoma City for the rest of the afternoon into this evening. 3 to 5 just east of Oklahoma City. 6 to 12 north and east of Tulsa. And we'll do an inch for you folks in the far west, maybe 2 inches locally. Let's go outside and see what's going on. And I think we have Kevin.
It's cold.
Tell us where you are, Kevin, and what's going on.
David,
Has he got snow on his back? He has snow on his back?
It's good. I mean, it's covered with the snow. Road crews got out and split off the majority of
Leave him alone. He's going to use the bathroom.
pretty slow. One thing is the traffic is picking up. A lot more people are getting out. But what they're forgetting to do is to clear all